Hello, Blondie. This is Velcro. Are you doing head bobs for us? You doing press-ups?
She's being a wriggler. Where are you going, sausage? Here's your dummy. Here. No. Oh, yawn. Oh, yawn. Did you yawn, darling?
You're going well, aren't you, sweetheart?
Come here, I'll get that. Just don't do a wee on me. That's what that there's for. Kick you. Hello, darling. Here. Do you want this?
Head bobs. Little press-ups. Press-ups.
Hello, Tweety. Hello, sweetheart. Mm-hmm. Don't you dummy? Nope. She says, I'm not an octopus. Show us your tummy. Let's see if you're getting hairs. Look. Whoops.
Look at that belly.
Look at that little fat tummy. It's had lunch. Look at that little belly and it's growing hairs. You need to have a little wash, you do. Don't you, sweetie?
Hello, beautiful.
She is, isn't she? You're doing cutesy pie. You're doing cutesy pie. Yes, you are. You're doing a cutesy pie, girl.
Hello. Is this Klingon?
He's exploring. Oh, there's a whizzer. He just whizzed on me. Look.
These things happen. He whizzed on the sookie, right?
You're doing a nice big whizzer. It's going everywhere.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, little dude. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hello, baby. Yeah, you did that.
Oh, flappies.
Did you do flappies, sweetheart? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Head bobs.
Press up.
Press-ups. You're just showing off now. Yeah. You might have to put it in his mouth for him. Should make him feel a little bit more secure.
Here, my baby. Come on. Here, open. Come on. That's the man. Here you go. There's your dumb. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah, it's better, isn't it? You're wearing a black t-shirt. I mean, seriously?
I know. Have you gone to sleep, darling? You have. God love you. Look.
Okay, time for her to go to bed. She's only little.
She is a little thing. Little bubba. Come on, sausage. Give me your paw. Paw. Foot. Come on, darling. Good girl. Yes, I know. There you go, sausage.
These are probably going this afternoon to see if they can be reunited with their mum.